It has only been a few months since we got to see the Samsung Galaxy S23, and the restless world of tech junkies has already started talking leaks and rumors about the upcoming Galaxy S24. This might surprise some people, as the Galaxy S24 series, the Korean brand's flagship range of smartphones for 2024, is likely in its early stages of development right now. Not to mention, isn't the next big thing for Samsung the upcoming Fold and Flip 5? Well, it's complicated. You see, the Samsung Galaxy S series is regarded by critics and tech enthusiasts as the true rival to the Apple iPhone. This year's Galaxy S23 series has proven to be a better smartphone on paper than the Apple iPhone 14. Hence, with the iPhone 15 leaks already detailing Apple's upcoming big launch in September 2023, hopes are high that Samsung, too, will deliver a blockbuster hit in 2024, especially with the Samsung S24 Ultra. Today, I'm going to tell every rumor you should know about the upcoming device in a short and precise manner. The relationship between Samsung and Exynos is a weird one. Samsung loves it, but the world thinks otherwise. Latest rumors now suggest that the Exynos chip may return to the Samsung Galaxy S series in 2024, albeit in a different fashion. Based on a report from Business Korea, it is said that the base Galaxy S24 may end up with a foreign Exynos 2400 chipset, which, according to the early benchmark readings, has shown positive numbers in terms of raw performance. However, Samsung is apparently struggling with thermal performance, which is why the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is on the cards to save the day. We expect Qualcomm to improve its overall performance over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, courtesy of the 3nm node. Then there's the battery. Not much is known about the battery capacity of these upcoming models, but a new leak hints at Samsung opting for new battery architecture on the S24 series. A report from the Alex suggests that Samsung could be using the stack cells technology inspired by the battery architecture of EV cars. This could result in a tightly packed battery, which eliminates more internal space for other components, or it could allow for a larger capacity battery. Sadly, not much is clear about the charging speed of these batteries. The device could continue to rely on the same 25 watts wired charging as its predecessor, while the Plus and Ultra variants could rely on the slightly faster 45 watts charging. It is also said that Samsung could be making big changes to the telephoto camera. Instead of having two separate 3x and 10x optical zoom cameras like on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung could be using just one zoom camera with variable optical magnification between 3x and 10x, something that Sony does with its recent Xperia flagships. Samsung could also use a larger image sensor, and along with a smarter algorithm, could see its zoom range improve to 150x. Another rumor doing the rounds is the arrival of a new 200 megapixels 1-inch sensor. This could outdo the rumored state-of-the-art Sony sensor that Apple could be using on the iPhone 15 Pro. A larger sensor can also help Samsung improve its low-light camera performance. As per the design rumors, it is expected to wear a familiar design, one we've seen on the S23 series. For 2023, Samsung went for a unified design theme, having floating camera lenses and uniform colors. Samsung could opt for the same for the S24 Ultra, having the same square design with a curved edge display and an S Pen stylus tucked inside its own silo. The vanilla Samsung S24 could also carry forward the S23's design for another year. So don't hope anything new in terms of aesthetics change. So what are your expectations from upcoming Galaxy lineup? Let us know your thoughts below in the comments section, and if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.